Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you are new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. Today I'm going to do my August favorites video. It's already Labor Day and I'm sorry that my video is late, but for those of you that don't know, I am a teacher and we went back the first week of August and it is super chaotic and busy at like the first month of school, and so I have not had a chance to breathe, much less put together a video. So I apologize for that. But I wanted to tell you I did over the last month join Instagram, so I know I'm really far behind on the bandwagon there, but if you want to follow me on Mom Wife Teach, I upload things that I find and I love on a daily basis, and then that way you don't have to wait for a video, so I hope that you will follow me there. Alright, so the first thing that I wanted to show you was this I used before. It's by Neutrogena. It's the oil-free eye makeup remover, but I'm always trying new products, seeing if there's something better. And to be honest with you, I really didn't find anything that was better that was at this price point. So I've tried the Clinique Take Your Day Off. That made my face break out. Then I tried to, what was the other one? Oh, the micellar water, and I was not a fan. I know a lot of people like that product. It's just not for me. So I went back to my Neutrogena and I'm fine with it. It works great. So it's back in my rotation. I'm almost halfway down already. So you can see I use it every single day. Another product that I went back to, because I'm always trying different creams, trying to see if something, is like a miracle worker, which we all know that's not the case, because our skin is always aging. Of course, we can try to reduce lines that we might be getting, but getting rid of the ones we have is a different feat. So one of the products I went back to was the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. I got the fragrance free because I don't like heavily scented things, especially if they're floral or anything like that. But this leaves my face feeling very hydrated. The ingredients in it has great things for your skin overnight. I don't break out to it or anything, so I super like this cream, and I think it's just as good as the other ones. The other line I tried recently that I told you guys about was the Neutrogena Rapid Repair, which is also excellent. And if you don't have a problem with retina, you'll do fine with it, or retin-A. But my face got all scaly and it was drying out and it did not like it. So I needed something without that. So this does that. Also, those of you who have been watching my channel know that I am not a fan of Lash Paradise mascara because it flakes, it dries super quick. I love the look that it gives, but those kind of things just turn me off to it. So I tried this Maybelline Total Temptation. And yes, I do need to do 3 coats to get the same look as Lash Paradise, but it lasts longer, it doesn't flake. My eyelashes actually look longer wearing it, so it gives that nice definition and separates them, but they also look longer. So I'm really, really enjoying this mascara. Okay, a new product to me, because I've never used one of these before, is my Timeless 20% C plus E plus ferulic acid serum. I just bought this for the very first time. To be honest with you, I've worn it for maybe a week. I haven't really noticed a difference in my skin. The one thing that I have noticed is that my face feels like super hydrated using this and this together at nighttime. So I do like how hydrated my skin is. I'm not quite sure if it's doing much of anything else, so I'm going to keep using it and I'll let you know. But going along with this, it's really a good idea to not leave it all in this bottle because you don't use it very quickly, and the serum is actually a clear color, which is what it's supposed to be. And over time, it will start to change color. So it's better to put it in smaller bottles. And I found ones on Amazon, they come in a 12-pack. But that's perfect because if I continue to buy this, you put half of it in one, half of it in another. And of course you throw out the bottles when you're done so you don't have the product in there. So it's 2 basically every time you buy a new one of these. But the price is really cheap, so getting 12 of them is no big deal. So I pour half in here, and as you can, I have half in here actually. And the other half I put in the other bottle and I put it in my fridge. So then when I'm done with this one, I'll pull that out, and that way it has less surface area to the air, and it'll last longer. So these are really great. Another product that I've used, I've never used a setting spray before, but I've heard great things about setting sprays, making your makeup last longer, making it look more like skin-like. So I bought the Milani Make It Last, and I have to say I'm presently, I can't talk. I'm very pleased with the outcome of this product. As you can see, I don't use it on a day-to-day basis, but here in Florida, it's super hot and humid. So if we're gonna be outside for a long period of time, I will spray this on and it makes my makeup last. I don't wear it to work because when I'm teaching indoors, I don't really need that. But when I do use it, I have to say that it does a phenomenal job of making my makeup look flawless. Okay, another product is I went to Ulta and I got my brows done a couple months ago, and I remember showing you guys how I lost some brows over here, and I was like, oh my gosh, are they gonna come back in? I wasn't so sure about that because I always plucked my brows. So the girl while I was there recommended this conditioning primer, and I've used it all, even though I still have the box. It's completely empty. I kept the box because I want to order another one. At first, I wasn't honestly sure if this was going to do anything. So for a month, I kept putting it on. This is actually the small size, but they make a bigger one. And I put it on every single night. You can do it night and morning, but I just did night. And I did see hairs all starting to grow in here that were not there, so I'm like super excited about that. And I've noticed that I've had to use less of my brow pencil when filling in. Like I just have to do a quick swipe and I'm done. So it's definitely, I definitely got some results with this, so I am gonna pick up the fuller size version of this and keep doing it and see whether or not maybe I won't need an eye pencil anymore, which would be fantastic. So I really, really like this. Okay. My son, my middle child, is turning 7 this week and he wants a Minecraft party, and there's not very much things on Minecraft. So I've had to get creative and go on Pinterest and find things to make. Hence my next item that's one of my favorites is from Target. I was just there today with him and we were picking out his favors. So anyone who's coming to the birthday that's watching this, I'm not gonna show you what's inside. But I wanted to show you these bags because they come in all these different colors. They're $5 and you get, I don't remember how many, 10 or 15 of them. But all I did was draw the little Minecraft on here with thank you real quick. It was something easy, so whatever your theme is, I love that they're plain. You get a whole bulk of them. They're better than those plastic bags. They look, you know, nicer and everything. And you can put whatever decoration. You can print it out from online and slap it on there and glue it down, or you could just draw it on like I did. But I really, really like these. I wanted to just share that with you. So that's our little Minecraft gift bag. Okay, anyone who knows me knows I love pumpkin. One of the items I do not have for you because I've already finished it. So I placed an order last week at Target because they came out with a whole bunch of pumpkin things, and one of them is the pumpkin mini wheats. Oh my gosh, those were fantastic. So I've already eaten all of them and I plan to order more. So that is one of my favorites that I do not have for you because it's completely gone. Some other things that are pumpkin, this one is actually something I put with my pumpkin order, but it's not pumpkin, but it is the Myers Clean Day. I use this to clean off the kitchen counters and everything, but this is their apple cider scent, and I am so ready for the fall. I am tired of the 105-degree plus weather here, and I can't wait. I'm actually gonna go clean the kitchen now to have this just smell up the house, smelling like fall, so I cannot wait. And then, of course, pumpkin. I picked up their Myers hand soap in pumpkin, and it is a limited edition, so grab it before they go because last year I waited and they were all sold out, and I was so bummed because I didn't get a single one last year. So I went ahead and grabbed these right before I put them up on my page before everyone else grabs them. So those are also products that I love. I love the fall pumpkin scents. And I think that's everything. So I thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so before leaving. I look forward to future videos with you, and I hope you have a wonderful Labor's Day with your family and friends, or just relaxing, and I will see you soon. Bye.